In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report an item that hasn't arrived on eBay. We've all been there waiting eagerly for a package that just doesn't seem to show up, whether it's a gift, a necessary item, or something you've simply been looking forward to. Waiting for a delayed delivery can be frustrating. Thankfully, eBay has a straightforward process for reporting items that haven't arrived, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To begin, you'll want to log into your eBay account. This is your first step in accessing all your purchasing information. Head to the eBay homepage and sign in using your credentials. This ensures you have access to your purchase history and allows you to report any issues with items you bought on this platform. Next, once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay, where you'll find the purchase history section. This area lists all the items you've recently bought and provides you with detailed information about each one, including shipping and delivery status. Take a few moments to locate this section, as it's going to be your main area of focus today. After accessing your purchase history, you'll need to identify the specific item that hasn't arrived. Carefully scroll through your list until you spot the item you're concerned about. It's crucial to verify that you have the correct item, as this will help streamline communications with eBay and the seller. Once you've found the item in question, look for the More Actions link located next to it. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options regarding that specific purchase. This feature allows you to take action on your orders directly through the eBay platform. From these options, you're going to click on Item Has Not Arrived. This action not only alerts eBay to the situation, but also begins the process of resolving any issues tied to non-delivery. Now, the system will guide you through a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to gather all necessary information regarding your situation, such as details about the purchase and any communications you've had with the seller so far. Before you escalate the issue, you might want to reach out directly to the seller. This can sometimes be an optional first step in resolving delivery issues. Sellers are often willing to help investigate and may offer a resolution without further eBay intervention. If contacting the seller doesn't resolve the issue, your next move is to open an official eBay case. This formal approach allows eBay to step in and help mediate the situation to ensure you either receive your item or get a refund. It's important to remember that you can only report an item as not arrived once the estimated delivery date has passed. This policy ensures that there's adequate time for shipping delays or other unforeseen circumstances to be resolved naturally. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to report an item that hasn't arrived on eBay. By following these steps, you can efficiently handle delivery issues, ensuring a smoother shopping experience. Don't forget to reach out to customer service if you have any further questions or need more help. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your eBay purchases with confidence.